Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to send one-time photo view on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp app on your mobile devices. Then simply open any conversation you wish to. Then after this, tap on this pin icon in order to send a picture. Now, you can directly take a photo or choose a picture from your gallery. So for now, I'm going to tap on camera to take an instant picture. Now, at the bottom right corner, you can see a specific number given beside add a caption. If you tap on it, you will successfully be able to set that picture to view once mode. When you send this picture to your contact, they would only be able to see it once. So if you tap on this option of send at the bottom right, you will successfully be able to send your picture on WhatsApp with one-time view. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.